Okay, today we'll do some hack the box. As you can see, we have a 2 million that is usable today. So we'll go for it. Okay, we download the OpenVPN setting. So we'll start a Docker container for our attacker machine. Perfect. We connect to our machine. Nice. And just to be sure, we'll see if I can ping it. And we are connected perfectly. So I will start the TMX instance. We'll name it nmap because we'll do an nmap scan. -sv for the service version, -sc for the command script. Our IP was this. For the naming, and we'll name it 2Million scan. Okay, so we have port 80 and port 22 open. 22 is SSH, probably we'll do nothing with it. So since it's a web thing, we will try to see what happens. Okay, it redirect to 2million.htb. So what we'll do is like sudo post, and we add our DNS 2million.htb. Can go back, and now we are connected. So what do we have here? We have a login page. We have a join page. So they are inviting us to hack. So you can go to the network, refresh the page to see what is happening here. And we have an API. So as we can see, it put a request to the init API, that means the JS, so it's JavaScript. So what you can do is like look at it in the debugger. We can copy it and try to beautify it to see what is happening really here. JS Okay, look like it's still obfuscated. Okay. Nice. So what we have? It looks like we have two functions, a verify invite code and a make invite code. And we'll probably use the make invite code since it will make a code. We'll copy that URL and we can curl it. So we will curl the function. And we can see that the encryption type is ROT13. So what we'll do is like we will go to CyberChef. We'll look for ROT13. And what it say, in order to generate the invite code, make a post request to API v1 invite generate. So we'll copy the link. And as they said, we will make a post request to 2 million. But this time, not to this link, but the one we have here. And it's encoded, probably base 64. So as we can see, it's base 64. 64 equal. We have our invitation code. We can now join. So we'll name ourselves hack smokeless fire. and password 123. So we can log in, and we are in. We have our first entrance. So basically, once we are here, like we can dig and wait, what happened? I got logged out. So we can dig, and as you can see, there is a rule. Don't return anything apart from blah blah blah. Version, you are 2017, so probably some things are outdated. And then after, no matter where I click, it redirects me in the same page, except for this access, or it change the page. And as you can see, we have a domain. So when you have a domain, what you do, tac, we will add it to our host file. Okay, we have a VPN that is downloaded. We open a new page. Now we cannot look like it's going nowhere here. So what we'll do is like we'll use burp suite. Setting. We will add our burp suite proxy. Should be good. And now so we'll start our burp. We go to proxy. Before we'll download the certificate. Okay, now that this is done, oh, okay, it's already installed, my bad. Okay, now we can see what this requests are. So it goes to we have a cookie. We'll send it to the repeater, and we'll see what happened. So basically, it brings us a VPN, the one that we downloaded just previously. So we'll try kind of a hider attack, and we'll see if something happens if I do this. And no, moved permanently. Maybe this also moved permanently. Maybe this. Here you have something. So here you have an IDOR, kind of an IDOR attack. I will copy this, and I will try to curl it. So curl 2Million.htb. No, I don't want this. It's API-v1. API-v1. Could not resolve THB. Okay. HTB, my bad. If I can spell correctly. Okay, I'm really tired. It's 2L. And getting nowhere. Ah. We'll give it the cookie. /h. And here we go. We have our list of root. So we have how to generate instruction to invite code generation, new invite code, verify invite code, check if user is authenticated, blah blah blah. Check if user is admin. This can be interesting. So it's like admin /auth. We will try /admin /auth and not happen. False. So we are not an admin. Yeah. Thank you. Update user setting. Look, interesting. So it's like admin settings update. So admin settings update. We send this. Method not allowed. So the method was not allowed because it's a put and I put a get here. So I will give it a put method. So now we'll see what happened. We send this. Did I make a mistake? Admin settings update. API v1 admin settings. Yeah, I made a mistake. Update. So we have a missing parameter email. We will give it the parameter. Equal smokeless fire at hack.me. Missing parameter is admin. So we'll add the parameter. Is underscore admin. Put one. You see? You saw? That little fucking comma? To be either 0 or 1. It is 0. What is 1, bro? Nice. We got it. I hate JavaScript. Now that we get this, we can check if the admin is... If we are admin with the API v1 admin auth. So we can delete this and we come here. And it's admin /auth and it's a get request. And true, we are admin now. Okay, now that we are admin, we can see if you can request this. And if you have something else that appear. It's a post request. Missing parameter username. User name. So smokeless fire, I guess. Okay, it gives us the... what else you can try? Subscribe, please. Okay, look like whatever we put, he gives a response. So probably it gets us the VPN by a script, and we can try to see if it reflects any other command. And look like it's answering. You can try to get a reverse shell. So I need a bash. What IP am I? We'll try to get this. Okay, bash. Okay, and what was our nclvnp? No. And we'll see if we get something. And we have a shell. We have our shell. Very good. Okay, from here, our cheat sheet, PTY. Perfect. We upgraded our shell. So we control Z now and we do sty row dash echo. My bad. It's row dash echo. And we'll export term equal. Perfect. And now we have our upgraded terminal. We can now be more in our ease than a simple shell. So we are data. So we have an environment variable. So since we have these, and here we go, we have a password. And the username is admin. We can here admin. Come back here. If you have a MySQL, and we have one, admin dash password. So I can show databases. So I can use HTTP prod. Show table. Let me select everything from users. And it looks like we have this is mine, Dreamy, ATRX. Honestly, when I see the hash, I don't think this is the road to take to try to decode this thing, but we will see. So what we do is like we'll copy this. And we'll paste this one. And this one. Okay. Now we are good. Use the root, use sudo command. Who am I? If I know how to spell right, I am admin. Nice. So we have our first. Here we go. We have our first flag here. And let's go back for our root flag. Okay, take back my cheat sheet here. And try to see if there is something. Permission denied. And the password is super duper. Okay, now we'll do it. We'll try to find any file owned by admin. It's a lot of file to look. So come to my cheat sheet and we'll filter this by where it is. Yes, here you go. So what you have? We have cache. Okay, this is the problem when you do hack the box with the shared machine. It's like people, you're not the only one in the machine. So here there's a lot of files that are used by other player. So everything like all of this is, you know, not supposed to be here. From here to the end, it's not supposed to be here. But here we have a cache and SSH profile, and we have a mail. So I will copy it, and we will cut what's inside. And here, like I know, you can do the DBA while you're writing down. Can you also get the OS? So kind of the kernel is not updated, and you have an overlay FS. We'll copy it. Can search exploit. And we have a local privilege acceleration. Okay, we have a proof of concept. Okay, this is why I love when I do CTF or in pen test, I love making a Docker, because this is super sketchy to download. And I don't know what is in the file, and when you will make all, you don't know what will happen. So the good stuff is like, when I finish this box, I will just delete the container, everything I done on it disappear. Okay, I think we will get it. So I'm 10, 10, 10, 14, 103. Star. Okay, now that this is done, can come back here and then we'll get it. And I don't know my IP. So 10, 10, 14, 03. 10, 10, 14, 03. Okay, here we have it. Okay, you can see inside it. And what is telling us? True. Okay, start to terminal and enter the first terminal. In the second terminal, to terminal. What was the password? Super duper. Okay, I can edit this. And I can SSH to admin and super. So here we make and in the other terminal we use exploit ID, and now you're root. Perfect. So if I go here, root, here we go. We have our second flag. Perfect. And I will just demonstrate you one thing. Everything I did was inside this container, and now I can just edit it. I see which one of my container is running, so my HackTheBox container is still running. So what I will do is I just stop HTTP since I named it HTTP, and now I will just remove it. Totally delete. Yes, it's not empty, but yes, I want to delete. And now, if I look at it, the container disappeared. So even that sketchy exploit I downloaded is deleted, and it was probably rooted with something not really sure. Anyway, I hope you liked the video, and see you for the next one.